Sleep. It's something we all do. But most of us don't truly value it. We sacrifice it to work late. We trade it for scrolling through social media. We convince ourselves we'll catch up later. But sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity. It's the foundation of mental clarity, physical health, emotional balance, and even creativity. When you sleep, your brain is not resting. It's processing. It's organizing memories, cleaning out toxins, regulating your mood, and restoring your body. Sleep is your body's way of healing. Think of it this way: you wouldn't run your car without oil. You wouldn't expect your phone to work without charging. So why do we expect our bodies to perform without rest? A good night's sleep improves focus. It sharpens your decision-making. It boosts your immune system. It lowers stress. It makes you more productive, not less. But here's the problem. We live in a culture that glorifies being busy. That celebrates sleeplessness as if it were a badge of honor. Sleep when you're dead, they say. But that mindset is what's killing our performance, our health, and our peace. So, what if we flipped the script? What if we made sleep sacred again? What if we prioritized it as much as we do our meetings, our workouts, and our goals? Imagine waking up actually feeling rested. Imagine starting your day with energy, not exhaustion. Imagine giving your best to your family, your work, your dreams, because you gave yourself the rest you needed. Start by creating a routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Make your bedroom a space for sleep only, cool, dark, and quiet. Turn off screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Read. Breathe. Disconnect from the noise. Sleep is not lost time. It's productive time. It's when you become stronger, smarter, more resilient. You want more energy. Sleep. You want more focus? Sleep. You want to feel better emotionally? Sleep. You want to live longer? Sleep. It all starts here. Not with another cup of coffee. Not with another hour of grinding. But with the courage to rest. The discipline to value sleep. And the wisdom to know that success isn't just about working hard. It's about recovering smart. So tonight, make a promise to yourself. Put the phone down. Close your eyes. And give your body the gift it's been craving. Sleep is your superpower. Don't ignore it. Embrace it. Protect it. Because when you sleep well, you live well.